Hello guys, welcome to Glam Outings. If you're new here, my name is Usma and welcome to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to share with you guys how I've created this look which I'm wearing right now. The festive season is on and it's time for all the girls to get glammed and get ready with stunning and beautiful eye looks so on. So I thought of creating something colorful and bold, and so this is what I came up with. So without any further ado, let's get started. You guys have watched me doing my base makeup many of times, the same foundation, primer and moisturizer. So today I'm just going to focus on the eyes. So I'll just do my base makeup off camera and I'll be right back. Ta-da! So along with my base, I also went off camera and did my this eye because I wasn't sure of what look I'm going to go for. I got a new eyeshadow palette. I wanted to play around with the colors. So this is the look which I came up with. So let us just sit down and complete this side of the look. So to begin with, first of all, I would like you guys to know what eyeshadow palette I'm going to use today. I'm going to use the Beauty Glazed Rainbow eyeshadow palette. You guys should see how many colors it has got. Just look at this. I'm going to use this shade, the orange. I'll just first outline it. This is just a rough line actually, it doesn't need to be too precise. Next, I'm just going to take a large amount of orange color and I'm just going to stamp that. As you guys can see, I'm just stamping that orange color. I'm not blending it yet. So from the same palette, I'm going to use orange and yellow both. And with that, I'm just going to blend that out. Just make sure you're not applying too much pressure. Just be gentle. You don't have to worry about blending this side because as if you're going to add these colors and blend it out later on. So just concentrate on blending the upper section. Next, I'm going to take a flat shade of brush and I'm going to mix this yellow and the one, this is more of a bright yellow. So I'm going to take this one and combination of this one. And I'm going to place it in the inner half of my eye. I'm also going to drag that yellow color in the green section because we're going to apply green over here and we're also going to blend that out. So for blending to be easier, we will be using a little bit of yellow. I'm just going to blend that yellow with the orange on this section, just so that there are no harsh lines. So now it's time for green and I'm going to take this light mehndi color, I would say, this one, and then later on I'm going to mix it with this side. And I'm just going to place it. Just make sure you're blending this very nicely. Next I'm going to take the green color, the darkest green which is there in the palette. And I'm going to place that over here. Just forget about this section because we're going to blend that out later on. But first blend everything nicely and then we'll concentrate on it. I'm just going to take that yellow shade, then I'm going to blend that out. So now it's time for blue and I'm going to take the combination of these two colors so I'm just going to mix those both and I'm going to apply it on the outer half of my eyes. I'm adding one more layer of that blue. the green color, and I'm going to blend that out with the blue. I'm just going to take a bigger blending brush, and now I'm just going to blend the blue with the So just make sure you're spending more time in blending the eyeshadow. Next it's time for concealer, and I'm going to use the concealer by LA Colors, and I'm in the shade Creamy Beige. I'm just going to blend that concealer with my fingers. So let us just move on to your eyes now, and I'm going to take this yellow color first, and I'm going to follow the same pattern what we have done on the eyelids. It's time for green. Finally blue. Next I'm going to tagline my waterline and the lash line with a black kajal. Time to highlight your brow bone. I'm going to use this and this shade. This is the shimmer orange shade which is blue. It's time to highlight the inner corner of my eyes, and for that I'm going to use the Makeup Revolution palette, and I'm going to use this shade. And I'm going to use a Prudere mascara. This also I ordered from AliExpress. So I'll just add some falsies and I'll be right back. I'm going to set my entire face with the Lakme loose powder. For contouring I'm going to use the Maybelline contour kit, and I'm also going to use the same blush. It's time for highlighter, and I'm going to use the Maybelline Mega Glow Stick. It's time for lipstick. So the lipstick I'm using is by again Prudere. Lastly, it's time to set your entire face just so that your makeup does not move. So this is it guys. I really hope you guys enjoyed this colorful video, and if you did, do not forget to give this video a big thumbs up, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel. So I'll see you next time with another video and another look. So till that time, take care and bye.